So here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Here is the old Mazda motor. She is finally on the stand. Got a little bit of cleanup to do. As you can see, my little jury rig in here. So I can break off this centric shaft bolt. Behind here, a little piece of metal so that it holds that. And this is right up against this. Hopefully that won't spin. But here's the interesting part here. Here's how I get this baby mounted. See? There is a gap there. It is not touching. It is not touching right there. And it is mounted directly to the block. Right there. Down and through here. I don't have any spacers whatsoever there. This is this top bolt threads in right here. This post and this post right here stick out. I just use this bottom one. I'm not hitting these threads here either. Like I said, as soon as I get these off, I'll be able to spin it this way. And the same thing with once I take off this, which is just sitting here. And I believe I'll have to take this off as well. But the rest of it should be able to clear. So, if you're wondering how to take your motor apart, and you don't have all the adapter pieces like me, or, you know, you just got this set up right here, like I said, boom, those two bolts right there allow you to be able to spin that motor. Those are only connected to this one plate right here, so you'll be able to disassemble all of these. This front iron will come off because it's not attached to this. You're not attached to these bolts. Excuse me. So, when it's all said and done, take this off here and take this, and looks like I'll have to take this plate back here. As I said, they're the motor mount, but then it doesn't look like anything else is going to hit. These bolts, oops, sorry. These bolts right here will clear there, so you can access everything without buying a special motor mount plate. You just have to have one of these right here. No drilling necessary whatsoever. Cool? Cool. So hey, I hope you like that. This is Dan from Advanced Custom Upholstery. As you can see, that's what I do for a living. Here's some boat seats that I'm working on. But, yeah. There's going to be plenty more on this Mazda motor here coming up. We're doing a full rebuild on it, so stay tuned. Hit that like, share, and subscribe buttons. Make sure to hit the notification to stay tuned for when I drop new videos. Adrenaline junkie, baby. Cool. Peace. Oh, wait. Here you go. Quick update on the wrist. She is looking great. So, we are ready to rock and roll. Peace.